It is October 28th, 2017. We're here at 4025 Mount Blackburn, San Diego, California, 92111. We're going to inspect the main sewer line. We have two cleanouts just in front of the house. We're going to go through this cleanout here that sweeps back into the house. It's dropping into an ABS pipe. You can see a little bit of light right there. We're going to push forward here for a second. So that is another camera, you can see right there, and that is where the lavatory sink from where the house was pushed out ties into the line. So we're going to pull that back. So that's the fitting right there. We have another camera obviously inside the line to show that. So that is just past the foundation wall. So that's how that line connects into this main sewer. We also have a bathtub on that end here that also might be dumping right through that line as well. We're now continuing down this pipe. It's all ABS. Here we have T-fitting, and right here we have the toilet. And then as you look up, this line right there, that's the sunlight from the roof vent for the top of the screen. That little T-junction we're looking up, and the other end is there. So that's literally the beginning of the line. So it's all been replaced with new ABS when they remodeled the two bathrooms and extended the home out. So we're now going to go ahead and pause the video and pull back and inspect the other line. Okay, we're now going to go down the other clean out, which sweeps away from the house. Got a little bit of debris on the line, so we're going to pause for a second to get some water down the line. Okay, so we're now going to move down this pipe here. This is all new plastic ABS still. Now coming up just past the little retaining wall for the patio area. So we're now under the front lawn. Still all new plastic pipe. So it looks like they may have replaced the entire line when they remodeled the house. All new plastic still. Here we have turn on the line coming up here. Okay, here's a clean out T-junction going down vertical. So we've got original cast iron just here at this vertical original clean out. That's where they stopped on the horizontal. Then this little bit of vertical is cast iron pipe. And then this cast iron makes its transition to horizontal. We've got a few feet of cast iron pipe, and then we transition to plastic PVC greenbelt pipe that the city put in. So you can see right here, this is the transition, and then that white fitting after the green piece of pipe is the clean out T that the city put in on the city sidewalk from the rest of the way out. So we've got just this small section of cast iron, couple little flakes right there, but overall nothing to be concerned about. The line is completely functional. I don't believe that's going to have to be repaired or dug up anytime soon, of course. So you can see there's some little scale and buildup of deposits on that vertical, but nothing to be worried about. Everything is going to just, gravity is going to take everything down that line really well, of course. So okay, we're going to go ahead and pause the video to see if this other clean out T-junction and ABS was brought to surface. Okay, we've gone ahead and located with our camera this pipe. So again, this is the ABS clean out that was put in where this horizontal transitions to the vertical cast iron. And we do not see a clean out, and we've poked and prodded a little bit under the grass and can't find anything really close to the surface. We did go ahead and mark this horizontal pipe as we're backing up, as you're looking at it here. We've marked this with some green paint on the front grass there. So again, this is just a foot or two in front of the city sidewalk before the city's clean out. And the pipe here, this horizontal pipe we're sitting in right now and looking down, is right about 29 inches deep, so just a little under 2.5 feet deep. So as we move these couple inches forward, where that clean out T-junction is there, hopefully they extended that most of the way vertically up. So if that ever did have a problem where somehow that cast iron had clogged up, that paint mark where we've got it ending right about a foot in front of the sidewalk is where you'd have to dig down to expose the cover that they would have on this clean out. So we're now going to pause the video and move over to the kitchen. Okay, so we moved over to the kitchen area here outside the bay window. There is a clean out cast iron, same as for the laundry. Not as accessible right now with the machine in the way. We're not sure how far we're going to get. We do have a very small camera here, but if there's a lot of buildup of food or grease in the line, we're only going to be able to push so far. But we'll go ahead and just look at this cast iron. Make sure it doesn't need a snaking or cleaning anytime soon if we do run into a lot. Okay, there's the T-junction where the laundry dumps into the line. So again, this cast iron overall looks good, and we expect to see these little flakes and peeling and some buildup of food and deposits that have been in the line. Line is mostly open. It's looking pretty good overall. We're getting through a majority of the pipe. A little bit of food and debris there gunked up on our camera face. Keep pushing down through here. See if we can see where this ties into the main, which should be right at the bathrooms. Okay, here we go. So we're into the plastic over by the bathrooms. So when they redid all those bathrooms, they of course extended that plastic T-junction that catches the kitchen. So we basically have, it eventually turns into the plastic pipe for the line and then connects into the main there. So we'll back up for a second here just to go ahead and mark and see if we can locate the depth with this small camera where the cast iron is at. Should be in the bathroom or close by. We're going to pause the video. Okay, so we've located this cast iron kitchen and laundry line. It does end in the bathroom about a foot away from the wall under the hall bath vanity. So that's where they tied in to the new pipe. But the pipe is all open, as you can see on the video, so there's no concern anything needs to be snaked or jetted at this time, and the line is intact. So that concludes this recording.